Hey bitches, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see in front of me, I have the most delicious food on the planet. I have Domino's pizza in front of me, I got some wings, and I got some bread, because you guys know I need to get that cheesy bread. So we are gonna film a mukbang today. I don't know why I actually stopped doing these mukbangs, because I used to do them like back when they were first becoming popular on YouTube, and I really did enjoy doing them, so I'm not sure exactly why I stopped them. What better time than now to film one, because I'm starving, and I got some tea to spill for you guys, and if you don't want to hear the tea, then this is not going to be the video for you. I'm going to show you guys what I got. I love Domino's boneless wings, which are about to fall out of the box. These look delicious. And yes, I am sitting all of this food on top of an old Amazon box that was delivered to me the other day, because I don't know how people get those views. Like, you can see the pizza right here. It has tomatoes and jalapeno on it. I don't know how people set their camera up and it's facing right at the food, and they're like, yum, 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 yum. Maybe I have the camera too close, I don't know. And the last thing that I got is one of their stuffed cheesy breads, and this one has just jalapeno in it. I am trying to not eat as much meat, even though I did get the chicken. I mean, if you order Domino's though, you kind of have to have the chicken. I'm sorry if you guys hear the crate moving around. I do have Bentley in the crate right now because he fell. He was outside playing and he tripped and fell over his own foot. And that means he sprained his ankle, so joyful for that. I'm gonna take these out of this box so I can actually set them, oh, I dropped one. Set them up here like this, and this other box is not in the way. So I'm gonna tell you guys some tea, a little bit of drama that happened with me last night. Something that was completely unexpected. This is a 2-liter Sprite, because I don't know how you eat pizza without Sprite. I'm just gonna be completely real and honest right now. I don't get people that eat pineapple on their pizza. Leave me a comment down below if you eat pineapple on your pizza, because we're all gonna judge you here on this channel. It's just never been my thing. I remember when I used to work at Pizza Hut, it was my second job that I ever had, and everyone was like, I want one of those Hawaiian pizzas, and I'd be like, bleh. Not a good look. Not a good look. So I did get a blue cheese. I also got the sweet mango habanero sauce. This is amazing. If you get wings from them, especially the boneless ones, you need this sauce. And then there are 2 of the hot sauce kicker sauces right here. Oh, well, I broke that. Ugh, should I make like a sound? I just like, oh my god. Oh my god. Ooh, that's spicy. Oh, Jesus. Oh, that backfired. Oh my god. That backfired a lot. Ooh, Jesus. Take the wheel. Last night, you guys, I don't know what happened. All I did was I was trying to mind my own business, and all of a sudden I start receiving these emails from YouTube. And by me, mind my own business, I mean my actual sleep. I took a nap. I turned 30 recently, and you know, it's like naps just come with the territory. I wake up, I have these emails from YouTube. And I'm like, oh, what is going on? Because I have not broken any rules. I have no strikes on my channel. My viewers voice channel, which is linked down below, if you're not subscribed, please go subscribe over there. It's a commentary channel, and I don't consider myself a drama channel. I'm not one of these people that's out here getting these receipts, getting all the screenshots and doing that. I think it's great that people do it, because people need to be informed. I just am lazy and I can't get into that. So I give my commentary on what's going on. Sometimes I have people on panel, all that kind of stuff. Well, my channel has never had a strike. If someone did strike my channel, I always won the appeal. There's no disciplinary action on my channel at all. And, someone had decided to strike a video that I had called What a Day, or What a Night, or something, where it was just myself and a few friends going on there, and we were talking, just shooting the breeze, nothing serious, but Thomas Halbert came up. Dun dun dun. And apparently Thomas Halbert is on some kind of like kick where he doesn't like people talking about him. If you have a different opinion than him, then you are just automatically bad in his eyes. Well, let me paint the story, girl. Because the other day, Thomas Halbert released a video where he was talking about Jeffree Star. Didn't want to say his name, but girl, we all know who he's talking about. His exact words. And I thought the video was pointless. I thought the video was tacky. I thought that he basically set the picture up for himself, that he went to Jeffree's house and then baited Jeffree, in my opinion, into talking about the racist thing, and then waited to use it against Jeffree. It's very calculated. If you don't know what's going on, there's drama channels that have done that talk about that. I was talking about it on the viewer's voice. And that habanero sauce really, really messed me up. But I was talking about it, and I made a few comments about his hair, which is a toupee. He says on his channel that the hair is a toupee. So, in my eyes, that's not off limits. Why is it a big deal if you acknowledge it yourself? And I talk about a few other people on the Hangout that I've definitely had issues with. So, anybody could have reported my video. That's what I said from the beginning. But here's where it gets tricky. My video got reported, my channel got taken down, deleted. YouTube said your other channels are basically gonna go because, you know, you're now prohibited to do YouTube. I tweet out about it. This is what I tweeted. And again, I never said that he was the one that took my channel down. It's just his tweets back to me or about the situation made people believe it, so people started to run with it. I said no strikes or anything on my channel, but once I mention @ThomasBeauty's toupee looking like shit, the channel gets deleted and a strike goes onto video of mentioning. Stay woke. And then I put like the picture of the thing of my channel going down. He responds and retweets it and goes, my toupee, it's mine, it's so powerful. Then tweets out, leave my toupee alone, she's trying her best, and puts a picture of Gru from Despicable Me, like holding a gun pointing it. I feel threatened, oh my god. I'm just kidding, I don't feel threatened. But then, he goes on to say, when somebody tweets him, I went the wrong way on my thing. He goes on to say, when someone tweets him and says, did you really get his channel shut down over saying your toupee is bad? What the fuck? That's fucking low. He said, but put it in between 2 asterisks, didn't get anyone's channel taken down, and I didn't know who that guy was till he was in my mentions, but got awkward as fuck. Weirdo. So, first of all, the reason that people thought that he was the one that did it is because he put the I in between the 2 asterisks, which people were taking as air quotes. Again, I never accused him of it. He then got real pissed. He started blocking people. I don't know. I don't know if he deleted it. I just know that I got my channel back because it was a false flag. And, haha. This pizza is so good. YouTube really needs to crack down on the false flagging. Because if you just get a horde of people that don't like you, or someone sends them to your channel, if you get enough reports about the same thing on a video, they'll just automatically take your video down, strike your channel, and then you can appeal it, and they'll see if it was right or it was wrong, and all that. But to take a channel down that quick, girl, And honestly, if I'm just being real, the toupee looks like shit. Now I know it's not nice to talk about someone's looks, but he's sitting here on YouTube making fun of it himself. So obviously you would think it's not that big of a deal. It's bad. And he says like he wears the toupee because his haircut underneath is really messed up because they fucked up his hair. That's fine, that's good, but now I kind of want to know what's going on under there that he thought that toupee would be a better choice. I don't know. Domino's does wings right. They really do. I don't want to be one of those people that moans when they eat. You know the mukbangers that like moan? They're like, oh. That's not me. But those are like really, really good. I also have not eaten all day, so. If I'm just being honest, brutally honest, as that one girl says and I think people have here. I don't think people should be on social media if they can't take people talking about them. It comes with the territory. Not everyone is going to agree with you. Not everyone's going to be like, oh my god, you're so amazing, I just love you so much. Oh, god, I don't even know if that's focusing. So, I feel so bad for Bentley. Like a ringing sound. Do I even have to talk to this mukbang? Like, Can I just sit here and stuff my face? Will people still watch that? Sprite. A good crisp Sprite is like where it's at. If you ever need to burp though, a good crisp Dr. Pepper. Girl, I have seriously been obsessed with playing Dead by Daylight. I don't know if anybody plays that. And if you do, definitely look my username up. I play on Xbox though. Not one of those PlayStation people. Some people judge me. But if you're on Xbox, my name is Anaconda Buns. You can decide what that means for yourself. He hears me eating. He's like, give me some of that food. I always have to get extra sauce. I'm just gonna talk about it. You know what? I'm gonna talk about it. There's apparently this person called Joy Sparkles. And for some reason the other night on my viewer's voice, which is linked down below if you want to go subscribe to it, it's definitely where I go live all the time, and there's no holds barred. Like, I'm not holding back. The thing I like about the channel is I'm a very opinionated person, and I've seen people do lives where they say their opinion and like everyone just freaks out on them in the chat. Well, it's gotten to a point where I can say my opinion, I can have people on the panel that have different opinions, the people in the chat have different opinions, but we all have a conversation and we talk about it. We don't sit there and yell at each other. The other night, I was talking about this person, because their name came up in the chat, called Joy Sparkles. I don't know anything about this person, but apparently, she's like a banshee. Like, they're all like, don't talk about her, don't say her name, oh my god. Because apparently, she will go after you. She will try to, this is what people said in the chat. She will dox you. I'm like, why? Like, what kind of videos does she do? Just very odd to me. How do you come by people dox people? Like, ooh, oh my god. Stupid. I think the Manny situation is still a joke, I'll be honest. I think he gauged off of what Laura was doing with hers and thought it would be a good idea to do the whole mental health thing. Not so much. It's just bad. Personally, I think that all of them should have just gone away until the beginning of the year and not come back and been so, or at least came back before announcing they had holiday collections coming out. Like, you honestly want people to believe you, that you're sorry for whatever you did, and not think you're just coming back to make money off of them. Sprite is so good. Like, I cannot get enough Sprite. Growing up, what was my favorite? Dr. Pepper. Always Dr. Pepper. I was one of those kids that always ate fast food as a child. Nothing has changed as an adult. Where's my sauce? Domino's does it right. I know this mukbang is a little boring, but girl, I'm just here to eat. This is actually what it would be like if we were at lunch together. I'd be like, girl, the food's getting cold. Stop talking. Keep saying I'm not gonna be one of those moaning mukbangers. It's so good. This is gonna be my last bite. I swear. Karma? Poor Karma. She's definitely getting better from her vertigo, but give me Karma. She's still a little loopy though. That's something. Litter Robot was so nice to send me one of their like automated self-cleaning things. And can I tell you, I'm obsessed. This is not sponsored for me to say this, but I'm obsessed with that thing. That's literally a genius invention. Garfield's still a little bit too light, so he comes in under the timer. He's getting there. He's growing up. Arma. She was right here. So, alright guys, thank you so much for coming to this mukbang. I know it was a slow one. I know it was a little boring. I'm slowly getting my feet wet back into the YouTube. Especially now that that whole thing happened with my channel where it was literally deleted and they were going to delete the other ones. Let's start taking this YouTube thing seriously. I love you guys. I'll see you guys all in my next video. If you want to enter the raffle for the Nintendo Switch, it is listed down below. It's going to end the end of this month. And I love you.